Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Bombay and Cedar. I'm pretty sure this is September's. I'm pretty sure it was late, and I'm pretty sure I got multiple emails letting me know that it was being late and all of that. I've just been having a rough couple of days, so I'm not 100% sure on that, but I'm almost positive that this is September's box. I will double check, and if I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. I'll also put the cost of the box on the screen. Just real quick, I do have a giveaway going on that's linked down below, and there's more information down there too if you're interested in looking at it. So let's get into Bombay and Cedar. I don't even remember. I think this is only my second box. It might be my third. I don't remember that either. I know that I went back and forth for a really long time on getting this box before I actually did. But something smells good in here. And I do not remember if it comes with a sheet. I'm not seeing one directly on top, so I'll just start digging through here and see. The first thing I am pulling out, oh wait, is this one? Oh, it was buried a little bit. Okay, so I guess it does come with a pamphlet, and it is September's. Yay, I don't have to actually do any research. And does it actually say? Okay, and it does have what's in here and how much they cost. So the first thing I am pulling out is this Almost Famous, and it's a sponge, California Almost Famous, and it says be savage, not average. Oh, that's cute. And so it is a sponge, and then it has a little stand for the sponge. I think that's super cute. Let's see what that retails for. Okay, so there are variations to this. So it says, beauty tool and by Almost Famous. Make getting ready fun with one of these must-have tools. Premium box includes either a beauty blender with a rose gold stand, a precision brow shaver, or eyelash curler. Minis include the beauty blender. So this particular set or any of the variations retail between $24 and $29. Oh no, that's cute. I think it's really cute. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is a Pocket Aroma Personal Diffuser Kit. That's cute. I wonder, that must be what I'm smelling. Let's see. I have never seen anything like this before. So, this Pocket Aroma Diffuser Kit by Spa Room retails for $20, and it says add your own essential oils for an innovative diffusing process. Refill and reuse each pocket aroma up to 1,000 puffs for the most satisfying and effective approach to aromatherapy. So you get a personal diffuser kit. It's 6 shells and lids, 12 containers, 2 each of 6 colors, 18 refill rods, and 12 white caps. It says to fill your pocket aroma, twist the lid to remove completely from the empty color container. The essential oils are not included, but I do see on here where there are oils in here. But so you can see she's just kind of holding it and sniffing it. So that's what it looks like. Okay, now that we kind of know what that is and how it works, we'll move on. The next thing I am pulling out is Moisturizing Oil Spray, Hemp Seed. Isles of You. What is this? Moisturizing Oil Spray by Hemp Seed Body Care. This spray Replaces lotions as a daily moisturizer or add it to a bath for an ultimate relaxation and pampering. Uses a lightweight massage oil in place of perfume or as an after bath shower moisturizer. Retails for $15.99. Okay, that's interesting. I'm not gonna spray it. I will probably pass this along to one of you. And I can't really smell it just by sniffing the lid, so I don't want to actually spray it. I think I will pass this along. The next thing I am pulling out, and these are the oils that I could put in the diffuser. So we have Spanish rosemary essential oil and spearmint essential oil. And I'm pretty sure in the last Bombay and Cedar box, I'm pretty sure we also got oils that I still have a bunch of stuff over there that I haven't unpacked, but I will always keep essential oils. I love essential oils. I've mentioned this before. Oh, that smells so good. I actually put them in my laundry, so I think that, okay, I cracked the seal on that one. I probably shouldn't. I do have a lot of essential oils that are already open, but I do plan on keeping those, absolutely. And did I tell you, let's see, the rosemary retails for $14 and the spearmint also retails for $14. The next thing I am pulling out is this, and I don't know what this is because it is all wrapped up. So there's this, and it just looks like it's a little wallet, purse, crossbody bag. That's actually really cute. You can see on the inside how it has a striped design. That's really cute. I will actually keep this because this falls on the more casual side of my crossbody bags, and most of my bags are pretty small. I don't carry a lot when I go out, but it is nice to have a more casual handbag. I don't know, like when we go to fairs and stuff. And I really only own maybe 3 bags that has a strap to be a crossbody. I only own 3 purses that are more casual like this, and it also has a little wristlet clip. That's cool. Awesome. So I will definitely keep that because it has so many pockets, but it's just the right size for the type of purses I like to carry. So it's a vegan handbag by Ampere Creations, and there are different variations, and it retails anywhere from $30 to $35, and it's available in 11 styles. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I think that this is a beautiful color. So as far as bags are concerned, I mostly feel like they're neutral, I guess, kind of, but I also kind of feel that bags should match what you're wearing. I don't know if I'm the odd man out on that, so I do have a lot of purses. I don't know, you guys tell me. Do you think that your bags should match what you wear, or do you think that bags are just 100% neutral and one bag can go with everything? Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, but for me, in some instances, I do feel like bags are neutral, but like when we go out on date nights, like I will wear this with anything. As long as I'm going out. And I have this one bag that I used to carry all the time, and I bought it in a store at Universal Studios in Florida, and it's a purse. It's a 1 zipper purse. It has a zipper, and it just has like one little pocket in it, but it has like the purse is like a face, and it has googly eyes, and it has little tufts of hair. And even though that it doesn't match too many things, I used to just wear it as a neutral purse all the time. But when we go out on date nights, I do like my purses to match my outfit. So I don't know if that's just like a me thing or if that's an everybody thing. So anyway, I'll stop rambling. Let me know in the comments what you think about purses. The next thing I am pulling out is a very, very squished IQ bar. 6 brain nutrients, 10 grams of plant protein, 1 gram total sugars, total net carbs is 4. Oh good, it's gluten-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, kosher, dairy-free, soy-free. I'll try it. You guys can't see, I'll actually show you, but I am actually eating a breakfast bar. It's down here, I'm kind of snacking on it in between takes or whatever. But it's chocolate chip cookie dough. So I often eat breakfast bars for my lunch because I don't eat big meals for lunch, and I very rarely do breakfast. So there's that. Now you know my little secret. I also have a bottled water that I keep next to me. All right. It's just a little insight into my world sitting here on my bed. Oh, so that bar retails for $2.49. The next thing I am pulling out is this. It's a towel, charcoal infused. So it says this charcoal fiber towel deeply cleanses, gently exfoliates, and draws out impurities from your skin. Use daily in the bath or shower to prevent acne, fight odor, and to give your skin a soft, healthy glow. Okay, so it's not a towel, even though they say it's more of a washcloth, and that is interesting. I'm going to let my husband use this. I mean, I do have acne prone skin, but his is just a little bit worse than mine, so I will actually give this to him. I think that he might really like this. That retails for $7. The next thing I am pulling out is Glam 4-step facial for the big event. Prep and polish skin for a smooth makeup and ready skin. Ooh, that's cool. I am down for that 100%. Oh, I'm sorry. That's what it looks like. I was just kind of reading. It does have like directions on the back here. And that retails for $15. Yeah, that's right. I am really liking this box, you guys. This is a good box. I think that I was on the fence with the last box. I think I liked it, but I think that there were quite a few things that I decided to put in the giveaway sort of a thing, but I did like it. And this one's more like, ooh, I think I'm gonna keep a lot of this stuff. So that's kind of cool. And I think that that tells you a lot about a box, because I own a lot of things because I get so many boxes, and a lot of these things are very unique to me. So I actually really like it a lot. And then the last thing it looks like I'm pulling out here, I need to try to flip this box over to get it. I bet my husband will really like this. This is not my sort of thing, even though I just said I love this box, but that's cool. So this is not my thing, but my husband will actually love this. He loves to do puzzles. Let's see, crossword, logic puzzles, word games, and more. Sometimes we'll do them together, but like he does Sudoku. I think it's pronounced Sudoku. Sudoku. He does Sudoku all the time. And so this will definitely be more of a book for him. He'll probably just take it to work and set it on his desk when he takes his breaks at work. I hope none of his coworkers are watching this video. But I'm sure he'll probably just take it to work, and when he's taking his breaks at work, he'll probably do some puzzles. So that's kind of cool. And that retails for, it says puzzle book by several authors. That's really cool. And it retails anywhere. So I guess there are multiple ones that you could have gotten, because this picture here is actually a completely different cover than the one that I have. So I'm assuming you can get multiple books, and it retails anywhere from $9.95 to $16.95. Okay, you guys, so that was, what's the name of this book? Oh, Bombay and Cedar. That was Bombay and Cedar, and I think the only thing I'm really like giving up is this. Well, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I have a ton of sponges, and I love little things like this. So I don't know if I'll keep this or pass this along so one of you, you know, can win it and enjoy it in the giveaway. Because I do kind of have a lot of this sort of thing, but I have a lot because I love them, so. All right, I've been rambling way too long. This video is way too long. I am so sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.